S.R. Crown Hall. S.R. Crown Hall was designed by the German-American modernist architect Ludwig Mies van der Rohe. It is home to the College of Architecture at the Illinois Institute of Technology in Chicago, Illinois. The building was completely built in 1956 and has been named one of the most influential and significant buildings of the 20th century due to its basic steel and glass construction style. S.R. Crown Hall has elements of line along the windows and walls. The constant use of the vertical lines draw the eyes upward to create movement and help create even spacing of the windows, providing a sense of harmony and balance. The windows allow natural light to fill the space while being supported by a few LED line lights in the ceiling. The dark steel and flooring provide a great contrast against the light windows and view out of them. In regards to scale, this interior ceiling is 8 feet above the finished floor, which allows the space to be very open and makes the user seem small in a space that is much larger. The main materials of the Crown Hall building are poured from foundation. The interiors consist of terrazzo flooring, steel frames, glass, and acoustical ceilings. The two-level building is configured as a pure rectangular form, measuring 220 feet by 120 feet by 18 feet tall. The enclosed space is column-free with 4 6-foot steel plate gliders welding to the 8 H columns. These guiders suspend the roof in a single plane to form a primary structure. The main source of light in this building is the natural light that streams in from the large windows that make up the exterior of the building. The lower 8 feet of glass encircle the steel frame is a glazed transparency meant to allow for few outside distractions, while the upper 10 feet is clear glass to allow more natural light into the space, as well as viewing the clouds and sky. Color is used very little in this space to add the less is more motto that Mies van der Rohe had created during this time to keep the interiors very simple and minimum. S.R. Crown Hall used many technological advancements as it was being constructed. One example of this is its suspended roof system that does not have interior columns, which allow the space to be open and universal. The main use of S.R. Crown Hall is to be used as a teaching or instruction environment. That means that a majority of the users in this space will have an experience of either learning or teaching. The building's skin is composed of welded steel components and glazed with clear and translucent glass. All of the steel is painted black. The interior floors are terrazzo, and the ceiling is a white acoustic tile to help keep the sound in the space from echoing. The walls are plastered and painted white, and the freestanding walls are paneled in oak. The furnishings arranged in S.R. Crown Hall consist of chairs designed by Ludwig Mies van der Rohe and many other designers, but they are sectioned off into different spaces. The furnishings in the classroom are more serious and transportable as to help students easily maintain focus and allow them the chance to work in groups when needed. The furnishings in the common areas are more comfortable and permanent. These sections are arranged to allow users to socialize and rest during their day-to-day interactions in this space. Ludwig Mies van der Rohe truly paved the way for the modernist design movement. He pushed the boundaries of design and was always successful in creating an influential and beautiful space.